30 days to a bigger email list. 30 days to a bigger email list. Legal disclaimer. The information presented here is no way intended to guarantee you any type of financial result or any guarantee as to how many email subscribers you will get. It is your responsibility to proceed with caution and do your own due diligence before proceeding with any of the advice included in this ebook. Author/publisher will not assume any liability or be held responsible for any form of financial loss, injury, or personal loss. There are risks involved with any business venture, and you assume all such risk and waive any responsibility to author/publisher. Results will vary from person to person and there is no guarantee for any specific results to be made. Copyright. This program, ebooks, or any content contained within it is not to be resold or given away for free. Copyright and illegal distribution of this book will be prosecuted. This content is solely intended for the person that bought this ebook. 30 days to a bigger email list. About the 30 days to a bigger email list system. 5-day number 1, creating your lead magnet. 7-day number 2, set up your autoresponder account. 11-day number 3, follow up emails. 14-day number 4, set up squeeze page, landing page. 15-day number 5, write a killer blog post or article. 18-day number 6, promote article on social media channels. 20-day number 7, create a video from your article. 22-day number 8, promote video to social media channels. 24-day number 9, set up a paid Facebook ad to grow your list. 25-day number 10, set up a solo ad. 27-day number 11, get traffic from online forums and communities. 30-day number 12, write and submit a press release online. 31-day number 13, guest blogging. 32-day number 14, start a contest. 34-day number 15, check your stats. 34-day number 16, SEO for your website. 35-day number 17, blog commenting. 36-day number 18, create 20 to 30 new blog post or article ideas. 37-day number 19, Facebook Live. 38-day number 20, write a new blog post. 39-day number 21, launch a new solo ad or Facebook ad. 39-day number 22, create a new video. 40-day number 23, publish a new blog post or article. 40-day number 24, run a Facebook Live. 41-day number 25, set up a Bing Ads campaign. 41-day number 26, choose your preferred traffic method. 42-day number 27, create an infographic. 43-day number 28, email ad swap. 44-day number 29, write and publish a new blog post or article. 44-day number 30, see what methods work best for you. 45. Important next steps.